means you need to include it in the value of your supply. How to remember topics? Okay, please remember there are many things coming in your way going forward. We have to keep it in mind what are all the things it should be included or not depending on the question. Okay, exclusions means what are all the things you need to exclude from your supply, like discount. If any discount is given, you need to exclude that discount. Second one, any GST, if it is included in the value of supply, that GST amount you need to exclude. Why? Because double taxation happens, hence you need to exclude. Normally discount, all kind of discount you need to exclude. Okay, normally trade discount they give, cash discount they give, like that they give, prompt payment discount they give, whatever it is. If it is known at the time of supply, all those discounts you need to exclude. Mr. Ramaswamy, a manufacturer, provides us the following particulars. Price of the machine is 2 lakhs. Machine, okay. Packing charges 20,000. Designing charges 40,000. Transit insurance 6,000. Freight outwards 16,000. Cash discount to customer 2%. Calculate the value of machine when Ramaswamy has to deliver machine to factory of recipient. What is the value? What are all the things you need to include? Is there any T taxes? What is the main supply here? What is the major supply? I mean principal supply is what? What is the principal supply? Hello guys, you there? What is the principal supply?
The machine, sir.
Machine, okay. For that machine, you need to add other charges. What are the inclusions? Inclusions means add topics. T taxes. Is any taxes is given other than GST? No. O obligation of the employee met by the employer. Anything it is given, supplier has paid or met certain amount. It is not given. P packing charges is given.
Yes.
Add. I TOPI. I means incidental charges. Insurance, design, everything. Is it given? Freight,
Yes, sir.
insurance, yes. All add. 40,000, 2,000, 16,000 add. Cash discount. On which you apply discount? On which you will apply discount? Is it adding all these things you apply discount, or on any other particular item you will apply discount? machine only. Sorry, on the machine only you need to deduct. Why? Because when you purchase the machine, for that they are giving the discount, not for the other charges. Right? Okay, after adding and deducting, how much you got? 2 lakhs plus 20,000, 2,20,000, 2,20,000 plus 40, 2,60,000, 2,60,000 plus 10, 2,70,000, 2,78,000 minus 2 lakhs into 2%, 4,000, 278 minus 4, 274,000. This is the value of supply. You will get same kind of questions with different numbers, and they will include one or two items. One item will be excise duty charge on the machine. Don't deduct, add back. Other one, subsidy given by NGO or any other person's name they give other than government. Please add. Add. Okay, apart from that, all these things are given normally. Okay, valuation rules. I will just go with the headings. You guys have to read this one because it is purely theory. You need to understand. Okay, value of supply of goods or services where consideration is not wholly in money. I told no. You are given the supply. You went to a mobile shop. You purchase the mobile by exchanging your old one. You are given the consideration in kind also, in cash also. Both components are there. That is the thing here. How to value? Please go through this because it is purely theory. But you need to remember, value of, they will ask rules, valuation rules on theory, it may come. Okay, please be aware. Valuation of supply of goods or services are both between distinct and related person. If one person is supplying to another person who are relative or distinct person, how to value the transaction, that they are given. Third one, goods supplied to or made through an agent. You appointed an agent to whom you are supplying, or he is buying for you. On behalf of you, he is buys from the supplier and he will transfer to you, supplies to you. How to value that? Please remember to go through this because this one is very important. Which one? This one is very important. When it comes to input tax credit, that aspect they will ask. What is the value? Value of supply of goods or services are both based on cost. If you are supplied at the cost, 110% of cost of production will be the value of supply. Okay. All these things you need to remember. Residual method, we ignore. From here, specific valuation rules will start from here. Okay, this one I will do. Because here the problem comes on these things and also the value what we determine 2,74,000, no, those kind of problems will come, especially for new scheme. Old scheme, they only give everything. You will have to tick. For that you need to study. For the new scheme, you have to work out the problem. Okay. From here, specific valuation rules comes. Specific. You have to solve the problem according to these valuation rules where the question framed on these specifics. In that first one, value. Value means what? I told you, no, 2,74,000 we saw, no, that is the value. How to arrive at that value in these specific ones, that we are going to discuss. Value of supply in case of lottery, betting, gambling and horse race. What is the value? The value will be whatever the price is there multiplied by 100 divided by 128, because it is all inclusive of GST. That is 28% is the GST rate. Lottery value shall be determined 100 divided by 128. Okay. The value of supply of actionable claims to win betting, gambling, horse racing in a race club shall be 100% of the face value of the bet. I will not go in depth of few things. You guys need to read this definition of what is meant by totalizers. They may not ask you, but at least if you get the idea, it's well and good. Determination of value in respect of certain supply. There are around 4 or 5 are there. Each one there is a problem. We will see one by one. Okay. In that first one, foreign exchange dealer, foreign currency dealer or money changer. First one, please write this heading. Please write few things. I will tell you. Okay. First one, foreign exchange dealer or money changer. In that, write A, small letter A, ad hoc valuation. I think 32 1A, maybe that one. 32 1A, 182 something. The another one is there, or 1B they are given. Because I don't want to tell the wrong sections, you guys will remember the wrong ones easily. Okay. Write the heading foreign exchange or money changer. Below that one A, write the heading ad hoc valuation. Ad hoc valuation means what? It is not the real valuation kind of a thing. Instead of real valuation, he can use this option. This is the first option, we call it as option number 1 for him. There are 2 options available to him. This is the first option he can take. Okay. I will just tell you the gist of this, the exact text. Please read through this. Okay. Exact text, you read through this. First one, where there is a RBI reference rate is available. There are three things. One is RBI reference rate available. First one, second one, third one. If you guys see, okay, I will solve the problems also. Don't worry. Where there is a RBI reference rate is available. That means you want to exchange the Indian rupees with Australian dollar. If Australian dollar reference rate as per RBI is available, then you have to value that transaction according to this. When RBI reference rate is available, underline that one. Next, value of supply is equal to here it is given now. Please write this one. Value of supply is equal to selling price or purchase price minus RBI reference rate. See, it need not be RBI reference rate come after minus, like that it is not there. It should not be negative. You keep it in mind. Okay, it should not be negative. That's it. Selling price or purchase price minus RBI reference rate those two should be within brackets multiplied by number of units.
That is SP divided by PP minus RBI reference rate, or how is it, sir?
SP or PP. SP means selling price, PP means purchase price.
Right.
Or.
So denominator is purchasing price minus RBI reference rate. Is it right?
No. Selling price or purchase price.
Okay.
That is or. It is not divided by. SP is equal to selling price. PP is equal to purchase price. Like if he is selling US dollar to you or Australian dollar to you, at what price he is selling to you? That price. If he is selling Australian dollar 70 rupees per dollar, 70 is your selling price minus RBI reference rate is given 68 minus 68 divided by, if you are exchanging $1,000 you want, multiplied by 1,000.
That means whatever the excess that he recovers,
Only commission is chargeable to tax. Commission is chargeable to tax.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Second one, where there is no RBI reference rate is available. Please highlight no. No RBI reference rate is available. Next line, value of supply will be will be 1% of currency exchange. 1% of currency exchange. Rate will be value of supply, because you have already written value of supply will be. Value of supply is equal to 1% of currency exchange. Example. You are exchanging dinars, for which for that particular day RBI reference rate is not available, and based on your experience, if it is 100 rupees per dinar you assume, and you are exchanging 1000 dinars, 1000 into 100, 1 lakh rupees. For that this is the value. On this value you need to apply GST. That GST rate, it will be given in the exam. Value means on which you apply the rate, that is the value. We are calculating here all value, not the GST. I never discussed the GST rates. If you guys remember, if you guys recall, I never discussed the GST rate. I only told assume this may be the GST rate, like that. I never told this for this supply this is the GST rate, because 1000 lakhs of transactions, I mean product services are there. You cannot remember each one. They will give the GST rate. Don't worry. Except gambling, lottery, 100 divided by 128, you need to remember that. Apart from that, they will give for everything. Next, when none of the currencies exchanged involves Indian rupees. None of the currencies exchanged involves Indian rupees. That means you buy Australian dollar, you give US dollar. You have US dollars, but you want Australian dollars. What you will do? You will go to money exchanger. You will give Australian dollar. You will give US dollars. You will take or purchase Australian dollars. Then what is the value of supply? The value of supply will be 1% of the lesser of the value of currency exchange. 1% of the lesser of the value of currency exchange. Example, see, you are exchanging USD with Euro. You exchange 1000 USD. One USD into 78, how much? Into 78 is how much? 78,000. 800 into 85, how much? 800 into 85, 5 is how much? 68,000. Whichever is less, which is the least one?
68,000.
68,000. On that, you apply 1%. 68,000 into 1% comes to 680 rupees is the value of supply. Understood? Is there any tough in this? You might get question on this. In this valuation rules, whatever we are going to discuss, you may get out of these two, there are chances of getting question on two valuation supplies. Out of those two, one may be foreign exchange, another one second-hand dealers. Okay, out of these valuations, probable chance 2. Out of these two, anything may come, any one may come, or both may come, depending on the paper setter. For the new scheme, especially.
If RBI reference rate is not available, what is the supply?
1% of currency exchange.
1% of the currency exchange. If RBI reference rate is available,
Selling price of
Purchase price
purchase
minus-
price minus RBI reference rate into number of units.
multiplied by the difference will be multiplied by which currency you are exchanging, number of units. Number of units means 1000 currency, 1000 USD, 2000 USD, 100 euros, like that. Okay, if none of the currencies involves Indian rupees, then 1% of the lesser amount of the currencies exchange. Okay, you may get theory also, you may get problems also in this. Most probable chance of getting problem is high. Since this is the first attempt of the new scheme, 100% according to me, you might get this question. ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದು ಅಂತ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. Which one they ask? In the foreign exchange, that depends. There is another one. Okay. See. Next, second one. You're right. This is the first one. First option. Ad hoc is the first option. Second one, you're right. Actual. Ad hoc or deemed valuation. This one is deemed valuation or ad hoc valuation. Second one, actual valuation. Actual valuation. Okay. In that also there are 3. 1, 2, 3. In that. Okay. Next. Right. First one. First one. If the value of exchange is up to 1 lakh, if the value of exchange is up to 1 lakh, see, you write like this. Value of exchange, one column. Value of supply is another column. Have 2 columns. In these 2 columns, whatever we are going to discuss, the rates and other things, it should come here. Whatever the text I will tell, please write it here. 1, 2, 3. For this, what is the value of supply? You have to write it here. Okay. Please write. First one here. Here you write. Value of supply. Value of exchange. Sorry, value of exchange. If the value of exchange is up to rupees 1 lakh. In value of supply column you write 1% of the value exchange or currency exchange, 1% of the currency exchange or rupees 250 or rupees 250, whichever is higher. Okay. Now tell me, I exchange the value of rupees 90,000. What is the value of supply? Tell me the value of supply. How 900?
Percent of value of currency exchange.
1% of 90,000 comes to 900 or 250. Out of these two, whichever is higher, 900. Okay. Now, if the value of supply is 15,000, then currency exchange is 15,000, then value of supply is how much? $250. Why? Because
250 is higher, less than 1% of value of supply.
Are you guys getting now?
Yes, sir.
96,000, then 960 becomes your value of supply. Okay, this is per transaction per person you need to see. If I will go, I will exchange. 10 minutes later, you will go and you will exchange. Per person per transaction. Again in the evening, I will go, again I will exchange. My transaction in the morning, afternoon, evening are different. Don't include it as one. Okay. Second one. If the value of exchange more than 1 lakh but less than 10 lakhs. More than 1 lakh but less than 10 lakhs. More than 1 lakh, less than 10 lakhs. Value of supply. In that value of supply column, 1000 plus 0.5% of 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs, what is that 9 lakhs? 10 lakhs minus 1 lakh. Those two difference is 9 lakhs. Thousand plus 0.5% of 9 lakhs will be my value of supply. Okay. Assume you exchange 8 lakh rupees. What is the value of supply? to see. Total 4,500 is your value of supply. Okay. If it is 5 lakhs, if the value of currency exchange is 5 lakh, what is the value of supply? Are you guys getting know how to compute? That 1,000 we added now, that is the 1,000 for this 1 lakh. 1% of 1 lakh becomes 1,000. 1,000 and 250, whichever is higher, is becomes 1,000. On the balance, you need to apply 0.5%. Balance is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs into 0.5% comes to 2,000. 2,000 plus 1,000, 3,000 is the value of supply. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third and the last one. If the value of supply, if the currency exchange is more than 10 lakhs, if the currency exchange is more than 10 lakhs, in value of supply, please write 5,500 plus 0.1% of currency exchange more than 10 lakhs. 0.1% of currency exchange more than 10 lakhs. $5,500 plus 0.1% of currency exchange more than 10 lakhs. Subject to a maximum of 60,000 per transaction. Subject to a maximum of rupees 60,000 per transaction. Okay. If I exchange currency of 45 lakhs, what is the value of supply? What is the value of supply?
9,000.
$9,000 is the value of supply. Are you guys able to follow?
So in this case, the whole turnover will not be having any value because each transaction will be taxed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That's the reason why they have given the two options. If the currency exchange is 10 crores, 10 crore or 1 crore, 1 crore, what is the value of supply? One crore 20 lakhs. What is the value of supply?